said the other day, I'm like, God, I don't know, it dropped drastically. I'm not impressed. It's a very bad way. So I'm like, should I keep telling him to report, or do I tell him to beat back? I'm not asking you as a professional, okay? Let me know whether I'm actually giving him the rights, because my sister was like, tell him to beat back. He should learn to stand on his rights. After all, somebody is big. Pata pata.
School.
Big boy school.
Yeah, then you know my class.
Your school is a big boy school.
Yeah, this is the
Oh, that's Igbo culture, Igbo day. Yes, it's beautiful.
They used to dance.
Okay, that's beautiful.
This is the playground.
Oh wow, your playground is beautiful.
This is also like story.
Oh, your playground is beautiful, sir. Wow, you're having fun. Your sister is, Mama, so you can enjoy like this. So you're not.
She wants to stay here forever.
You don't stay here forever. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'm already on my way going to my son's school. Yeah, today is his open day. Okay, this is more like my first time going to the school aside registration. Yeah, this is actually a new school for him. You know, when I had my baby, I needed to change him to a closer school, so it would be easy for me to just, you know, work with the school runs and the likes. Okay, so yeah, aside the registration day, today is more like my first time going to the school. Okay, so I'll have lots of interaction with the teachers. I would like to know how he's coping in his school and the likes. So I'll be going with my princess. You can hear her voice. She's at the back, and we're almost there. Okay, in case if you are new, my name is Uju. Welcome to Julian Space. Please consider smashing that subscribe button, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting me always. Like, I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, all right guys, so please just keep watching. Okay, I'll vlog and I'll carry you guys along with me. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Bro, we see you today in his school. Do you want to see your brother? Okay, thank you. Good morning. Today is more like my first time coming here, and this place looks nice already. It's been a long time. This is time, and I was like, I must come. I must come. I really need to. Mama, are you sure you're going to allow us to do this today?
Hello, Katie.
So okay, I should just go through his books. Okay. But these are quite, I hope you don't mind. You know, I have a YouTube channel, so I'm actually doing small vlog for my channel. Although I'm facing myself, I'm not facing in case you might not want to show. I hope you don't mind. Okay? Alright, thank you. Okay, so these are mostly class works, because I don't think I've seen this. Although most times they tell me, Mommy, I got a sticker, it's in my book, I'm like, which book? And then most times he tries to, you know, show me the stickers and all that, but he'll be like, Mommy, my teacher did not put the book in my bag. I said, I can't show you. Yeah. In the school, I understand you. Okay, so what do you think about his general performance? Because what I'm seeing here is Koras.
No, don't say my book. Okay. Thank you. So Martin, I generally is great, is wonderful.
Okay.
His performance is okay.
It's okay.
Yes. And it's
fantastic.
And it's still eager to learn everything. And the improvement is coming on a daily basis.
Okay, so that's the good part. The bad part, the not so good part.
We encourage him to eat, though he eats to his own ability, but we want him to eat more.
Yeah.
So each time you say, Mr. I'm person, no, you have to eat more. Mommy, because so you need to get this food.
Yeah.
So you don't need to waste mommy's energy,
Yeah.
resources. Please eat more. 5 spoons more.
5 spoons more. Okay,
I'll
then you
take
start
more.
counting. Okay, because at times you tell me, Mommy, if I force me to eat at home, you tell me, Mommy, but my teacher usually tells me to pack up. Yellow, not orange. Okay, my teacher tells me to pack up, like, you know, being the fact that he supports the teacher more than me. He'll be like, Mommy, why won't you tell me to pack up? If it is Mrs. Tayo, Mrs. Tayo will tell me, pack up. Okay, pack up. So I'm like,
Once in a while we do that. If we see really that the child is
yeah.
so we have to, because some of them they can just start throwing up if we are forcing.
Yes, you don't force feed.
I saw your comment one day that is not so perfect in writing of a particular sound.
Yeah.
I think he has improved on that. And the tricky word also is getting better on that.
I don't even understand. I don't even understand tricky word. See, some of all these things, though, we did not. This was not how they taught us, though.
Yes.
You know, growing up. So most of all this art book, I learned it when he entered, or rather from his former school, because we didn't really learn art book as we learned A, B, C, D. You know, all these things. So most times you guys should help, you know, tell parents. You can give an example, because you know there was one at homework he came back with. They talked about underlining the tricky word. I don't even know the tricky word. Okay, like this one. He said read the words and underline the tricky words. So which one are the tricky words? Oh, they are all tricky.
Yes. So tricky words are words that are not.
Koras, don't eat your brother's food as drastically. The reason why I use that word drastically is most times it even shocks me at the level of things he can explain and the things he can. I'm being honest, like I'm this type of parent that if I don't understand anything, I'll write it. Me, I can write. You see that communication book. Any day I don't sign that communication book, it's because maybe I'm so busy with taking care of her, and you know maybe I might be feeding her while and summer does his homework most times by himself. He can tell me, Mommy, this thing was saying, Mommy, I don't know how to write it. I told him if I give you no, if I give you serious knock on you, I'll be conk. I don't know what you call it. Oh yeah, go and write. What do you mean you don't know how to write it? When did that one start? Are we going up or are we coming down? We are talking about you writing a full sentence now. Okay? So generally I enjoy the fact that he has improved, but there's always the but. The but is he does not blend words the way he used to. My son initially had this American accent, which I believe that he got it from too much of cartoons, because in my house, the only thing watching my house is cartoon. Then I'm like, even my husband even noticed. My husband was like, why is it that someone has actually changed in the way he pronounced certain words? Like, you'd be like, there was one he said the other day, I'm like, God, is that the right diction? He will now tell me, okay, like you will try to, you know, mend his tone, but yet, you know, the way you speak and the words you pronounce, there's people that even, you know, some people have tones, yes, but then they might not be speaking right English, okay? So generally, or rather in his former school, speaks well. I'm not impressed. Even my husband was like, I should call you and tell you that him too does not understand this one, because you know I believe that for us to be in Austria for me is number one. I used to say it. I really like this. In the environment that we are today, we try to condemn bullying, because a lot of things happen on the internet. People bully each other, okay, in a very bad way. So I'm like, should I keep telling him to report, or do I tell him to beat back? I'm not asking you as a professional, okay? Let me know whether I'm actually giving him the rights, because my sister was like, tell him to beat back. You should learn to stand on his rights. After all, somebody is big. Pata we go down. So there was a time we went to my sister's house. My sister was like, beat back. So someone said, how do I beat him? Should I do him like this? What if he not die? I said, please don't kiss him. But you understand. Okay, so what do I do?
In that situation, if someone has done something,
I can be signing, right?
if he reports, surely you have to do something.
I'm trying to teach him Igbo. But the day he came back and I was reciting his song to me, I was like, wow, so man, I was really shocked. So I think he learns better when I'm not the one coaching him.
Yes.
Most children, right?
Yes.
So generally, I'm impressed. I won't lie. I'm impressed. I'm really, really impressed with what I'm seeing. I don't have much to say. I'm glad I met up, and I even told him I was going to come to his school. I know he's expecting me. Even in the morning, he told me, "Mommy, let's go now." I said, "I can't come this morning. Go first and later." So then, what do you have to tell me about his social life? What do you have to say? Does he socialize? Does he make friends? Freely. What of love? Do you think he?
Yes, he cares for them and.
Okay, this is for the Igbo day, right?
Yes.
Good afternoon. I see. Don't put down my phone. So come to this way. Come to this way. See my handbag. Okay, it's another one dancing.
Yes.
I'm even making a video for you. I don't know. How come I don't know? See your Bluetooth. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Mama, look now. Koras, see your brother now. No, that's for mommy. Thank you so much, ma'am. You want to go on with mommy? Or do you want to go on with school bus? You say, what to go on with mommy? Is it
Yes, please.
Summer, come, let's go. I mean, you have to go in front so that mommy will come after you. You have to take, because I don't know your school. So let's go.
My school.
Big boy school.
Yeah, then you know my class.
Your school is the big boy school.
Yeah, this is where we came when I was going to bus.
Okay, is this where you stay?
Yeah.
When you wait for school bus?
Yeah, and this is not the Igbo thing.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
That's for Igbo Day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Igbo culture, Igbo Day. Yes, it's beautiful.
They used to dance.
Okay, that's beautiful.
But okay, you snap.
Yes.
Okay.
And your school is very beautiful too.
Yeah, this is the playground.
Oh wow, your playground is beautiful.
This is also like story.
Oh, your playground is beautiful, sir. Wow, you're having fun.
Yes. And this
Yeah.
is also the playground. You go inside it. You come out.
You can't do that, right?
I can sing.
Can you go in? You can go in. Oh yeah. No, I packed far. I packed far. No. I packed far from the school.
Mommy!
I enter again. Oh, I'm not blocking anyone. Come, go again. Let's see.
Enter.
Wow, it's so beautiful. We're going, let's see. But it might be dirty. Get up. He's even scared. Don't notice my boy can be scared. Hi, mom. Good afternoon. I know you didn't remember me. You didn't remember me.
Of course, so not small.
It's been a long time. 7 months.
Okay, in the next maybe 7 months.
See how you are glowing. You are still shining. In the next 7 months, what will happen?
In the next 7 months, she will come to school.
Eh.
She should be in school.
Okay, that's a year 4 months.
Something from a
A year.
1 month, 2 months. She's free to come.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. So, are you done playing?
No.
Sorry? No. That one is for baby. That one is for baby. Let's put your baby. Your sister is, Mama, so you can enjoy like this. So you're not
She wants to stay here forever.
She can't stay here forever. Hi, Cora. Hi, Mama.
Again, no problem. She can see.
Yeah?
Can we go upstairs?
No, we need to go home.
Let's go now.
Why today they lock that place and they are making people to now go around? Do you need them?
That's Kendrick's mom.
This is your mom.
Kendrick's mom?
Yes,
Oh, someone do tell me a lot about Kendrick. Kendrick this, Kendrick that. Alright now.
How are you, darling?
see my
So when is your
car.
sister?
Yes.
She's so cute.
She's a baby and she's 7 years old.
7 months.
7 months. I know because I did my birthday.
Okay. How come she's so cute and fair?
Is someone not fair?
Is it Australia that is stressing you?
Someone stop that. Please stop that. Don't do that. Compose yourself. Alright, ma'am. Take care, okay? Should we go? Is there another thing to sign out? Do you want to eat yourself? Please, take him, okay? Thank you. I'm waiting for you, yeah. So we can go. All right. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Okay, guys. So I decided to just pick him up from school. There's no need keeping him there.
And mommy is snapping me in the playground. It was so much fun. Maybe Sita had to go in the swing.
Okay, so the time now is 12:32. Okay, so there's no need waiting till 1 o'clock to pick him. I just have to pick him. Today is Friday. And I want to end this vlog here. Okay, we're heading home now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Someone say bye.
Bye.
Cora, say bye.
Bye.
Yay.